Since this is an introduction video, I'd like to go ahead and just introduce my Ebony. This is the reason a lot of y'all know me, my E36 BMW. This is her in all her glory. Okay, it used to be glory, it's just tribulations now. It's a hot mess. We start from scratch and y'all gonna be here to watch me do it. If you haven't seen already, we running the CX kit. We're N52 turbo, finally boosting this thing. Tired of driving everybody else's boosted cars. I need to boost my own, man. Give me my own keys, man. All right, we just made it to Cultured Customs ATL.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Juan been asking for this car for a minute. I've been slacking, but I'm over slacking. We gonna get this done. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. We are at Cultured Customs ATL and Ebony is getting painted today. Oh boy. Oh my God. My goal is to clean up this engine a little bit. The block's really oily and a little bit of rusty, and I just want to clean it up, make it look almost new. I said I was gonna keep this engine bone stock, but few people told me at least change the head studs. Now they told me I can actually change the head studs without removing the head. I didn't want to remove the head. I didn't want to do a complete tear down on this engine. I kind of want to just send it, kind of see what happens. So she's gonna do it. I'm not doing nothing. I'm in a white shirt to prove that I'm not getting dirty today. So I hope you're ready. So job complete. Miss. I just want to say before this video starts, as right now, June 11th, the time I'm filming this, it has actually been 1 complete year of me doing YouTube. So my very first YouTube vlog with me introducing Ebony was 1 year ago today. There she is. There she is. Hey, Ebony. Hey, Ebony. Oh. But today's episode is brought to you by Oodles and Noodles, because that's all I'm going to be eating till this project car is done. Bye-bye, Olivia. Say bye-bye. Wait, this is a test though. This is the test.
Either that or...
I already saw my blankets, don't worry.
No scratches?
What's up with this bull?
No scratches? Alright, fire it up. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another garage video. As you can see, I'm fresh off of work, but I'm too excited because I think today I can get this thing started. Please start. Let's take out a problem. Come on, baby. No excuses. This is it. Let's do it. Oh. It's alive! Oh, I did it! I did it! What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Damn, this car ain't done yet? No, it's not. I've done it. I drove it out of the garage. I'm on this tree! Oh, damn it! So today is June 12th as I'm filming this. June 11th, 2019 was my very first vlog. This car was sitting in the corner of the garage, a shell, no engine, no paint. It just looked a mess. And 2 years later, they drove out of my garage. So today is Dyno day, and I'm kind of nervous. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. Let me go home, charge this camera up because it's about to die, and I'll do my first real drive in it. So I'm gonna cruise it on the way home so I get my real reaction the first time for y'all. So and here we go, baby. I did it! It's just a moment. I just want you guys to take this moment with me right now. That's all. Just I did this. I need to stop crying and start smiling. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This is unexpected. I always keep my camera on me just in case, and sometimes it's not a good one. So a lot of you guys prayed on my downfall. Well, today you guys win, because I think my head gasket finally blew. So let's put some more air in here and look at it. Dripping. So without a doubt, cylinder 3, blown head gasket. Alright guys, and we are at the end of the video. So if you made it this far, personally I want to say thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I actually enjoyed making the video because I got to look back at all the cool memories and stuff. But last video, unfortunately, like you saw, head gasket is blown. It's still blown right now. I haven't taken the car apart yet. If I'm not working on that car, I actually have another car. This is my E36 sedan. If you're new, this is my drift car. So I actually do a lot of drifting too. And this year I've been learning how to drift, so I kept the car ugly. But now that I know what I'm doing, it's time to make the car look cool. So I got some stuff on the way for it. Gonna look real cool pretty soon. And yeah, that's all I got for that. So if you like this type of content, go ahead, subscribe. It's absolutely free, doesn't cost you $1. You can see Turbo E36 content, you can see Drift E36 content, and I also do car reviews and other stuff. So if you're new, I think you'll enjoy yourself, and thanks for watching. Deuces. And if you want to watch that playlist from the beginning, you can click right here. I'll put the playlist right there. We'll start from episode 1. Deuces. See you in the next one.